Hello guys, Marwan here, and today we're going to look at this, my TV remote, one of the most interesting things that I have from the TCL TV. Let's look at what all these buttons do and why I love this remote. This remote has some dedicated buttons. This is one of the most amazing things about it. Like when you press this one, it straight opens up Netflix. Then you have this one for Prime Videos. You also have this one here. This one is for guard. We have the media one. With the media, if you have a plugged in, let's say flash drive or all that, you just press on this one and you're able to watch whatever is in that flash drive. And then you have YouTube. You just need to click on that and it goes straight forward to YouTube. Then you have the TCL channels. With this one, if you don't have premium streaming application and all that, you press on the TCL channels, it will open directly to movies that are allowed by TCL and you can just watch them. With this one, you have like these are the operational buttons. Now the ones down here, this one opens up a quick kind of menu, so you can just switch between applications. This one opens up those channels that you've let's say bookmarked for TV. So this one is for TV. You need to press the TV one first, and then you can press like this one and select the green, the red or the yellow, and it's going to show the channels that you've actually scheduled. With this one, you sign into your TCL account. If you are, let's say, watching something on YouTube and you press this one, it's going to give you like a list of whatever is happening. These two buttons, this one, if you're scrolling down or up and you press the P plus P, it will take you to the top of that page, and if you press the minus P, it's going to take you to the bottom of that page. This is the volume up, volume down button. This is straightforward, and this is the source. You just need to press this one and it will give you the option, and you can pick whichever you want to switch. Then this is the back button. Just press this one and it takes you back. This is the home button. One of the most important buttons in this is the home button, because it will take you to a place where now you can select whatever it is that you want to watch. These are the navigation buttons and the OK bit. Then this is one of the most interesting buttons. So for example, you press this one and hold it down and you say open YouTube. It's going to open YouTube.
Okay, here are some videos.
Then this is for bookmark. Let's say you're watching something on the internet, press this one. It means that you've actually bookmarked that one. So this is the setting, straightforward. This is the mute button and this is the off button. Now this call you see Akakashimo, this is the microphone. It uses AAA batteries, these batteries, and it has batteries that are actually already labeled TCL. Let me know what you think about this remote and whether you have this remote with you and whether you knew what all these buttons do.